I'm excited today because the Regents just approved a state-of-the-art build for a 64-bed behavioral health facility which will be located on the campus. It is for children, adolescents, adults, and geriatrics. The other piece of that is we're going to be able to offer services that we couldn't in the current facility.
We're really excited to collaborate with UM Health-Sparrow in creating a more comprehensive center of excellence in the Lansing region. For many years, decades really, there's been a desert of care, especially in terms of the inpatient setting for the pediatric population. And this new hospital will enhance the care in the region, add 16 new beds for pediatric patients, whereas before, the closest inpatient bed for a child was about an hour away from Lansing.
There's a lot of evidence out there that being treated in your community has a lot of huge benefits. You think about the huge stigma of just going in to get services right off the bat. And if you're throwing on top of that, we're going to ship you to the other side of the state, that's a huge issue for a lot of people, and it's understandably so. We're going to take care of you right here. Your family can still come visit, so you still have those connections, and overall, it tends to progress a lot better for the patients.
What excites me most about this new facility is the fact that we really are, with our partnership with Shepherd Pratt, which is a nationally recognized behavioral health organization, that we're really looking at best practices as it relates to inpatient care, best practices for our procedural space, as well as our outpatient care, which we continue to grow and expand on.
If you go into a typical facility, everything's bare, you don't see daylight very often. It feels a few steps away from a prison in a lot of locations. You compare that to what we're going to have, where you're going to have a very large outdoor courtyard. You're going to have separate courtyards on the child and adolescent floor. You're going to have lots of natural light, lots of, porch areas that they can access. It's going to make a huge difference in their mood. It's going to make a huge difference in their progress. And I think overall they're going to get better a lot faster and a lot more comprehensively.
One other opportunity that we have is to create a collaboration between the Academic Medical Center in Ann Arbor and University of Michigan Health-Sparrow Hospital, so there can be a hub of training and research, so we can not only help the next generation of providers, but also look for innovative treatments for the future.
This will provide us literally a state-of-the-art building to give comfort, to give care, and for the families to feel like their family member is being taken care of in one of the best facilities in Michigan.